Video editing does not have to be that hard, and in today's video, I'm going to walk you through one of my favorite video editors. So the editor I'm showing you today is called WeVideo, and what's really great about this editor is that it's browser-based. So you can start editing on your laptop and then finish on your desktop. So if you're someone who switches between devices a lot, this is a really great platform for you. Once you log in, you will see this dashboard, and I do want to point out that WeVideo does have a free option, but there are several limits, and they do leave a watermark on your video, so you will want to upgrade and pay for WeVideo. I'm just going to click Create New. You can see here I have some clips already loaded into my account. So I'm going to select this clip and drag it down to the timeline. Once I get to a point where I want to edit or trim a clip, I will put the blue cursor, seen right here, in that spot, and I can either click the scissors button or I can press the S key on my keyboard. And I'm going to drag down this white empty slide right here so that I can create a little title animation for my video. You'll see this A tab right here at the top. These are the text animation options. These are, again, a premium feature, so you will need to have an upgraded account. So I'm just going to drag and drop this down to the timeline and double click. So here I can change the colors and the text itself. Once I'm done, I'll click the blue Done Editing button. So this white slide is shorter than the text animation, so I need to extend the time that the slide is on screen. So I'll put my cursor on the edge where the arrows appear and then just drag to extend it. So I need to edit some more of this clip out, so I've put my cursor where I want it. I'll press the S key, select the clip, hit delete, and move this clip back on the timeline. Now you may want to do some picture-in-picture or layer some video files, so I'm going to show you how you can do that. So I'm just going to drag and drop. But now you can see this clip entirely covers the other clip. So I'm going to double click. So what I want to do right here is scale this video so it doesn't fit the entire screen. Then I can move it wherever I want it on screen and click Done. So now if we preview, you can see these two clips will play at the same time on top of each other. Now there are a few other options within WeVideo. They do have some transitions you can add between clips. So if you want to see what a crossfade looks like, drag and drop to where you see the green bar. That's where it will appear in your video. So you can see how the text fades in. So you've added in your clips, pictures, text, and animation, so you're ready to export your video. So you'll click the Finish button here up at the top. Name your video. So now you do have some export options. You can see here I still have the WeVideo branding because I'm on the free account, and I only have one export resolution option, which is pretty low res. So again, to get rid of the branding and to be able to export HD, you would want to pay for an account. Just choose where you want your video to export to, like Dropbox, or go straight to YouTube, and then click Finish. If you have any questions, let me know down in the comments below. And if you're new here, I would love for you to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.